Hello students, welcome back to the chapter relations and functions. In the last class, I completed the first exercise 2.1. Now in the today's class, I am giving you about the relations. Here, I wrote the two sets A and B and I wrote A cross B. In this, I am writing only selected ordered pairs. If you write all, that is also okay. Now I am selecting few. And according to some rule, I am selecting. See how I am selecting? R is a relation. How they are related? The first element is less than second element. Like this we are selecting. Always the first element. In general the first element is denoted by X and the second element is denoted by Y. In each ordered pair, the first elements are called, in this relation, the first element is called domain and the second element are called second element are called range. Complete second set is called codomain. I will give each and everything separately. So now I am giving you the definition. A relation R from non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product See, here I wrote the Cartesian product. From that only I am selecting. You can select all the ordered pairs or few. Cartesian product A cross B. Yes, obviously R is a subset of A cross B or what? Yes. This element is here, this element is here, this element is there. The relation R is a subset of A cross B. The subset is derived by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of the ordered pairs in A cross B. Yes. Here how they are related? The first element is less than second element, like that. The second element is called the image of the first element. See, 2 is the image of 1, 4 is the image of 1, 4 is the image of 3, like that. Now, is the concept is clear or what? I will explain each and every concept again with the help of example. You don't worry about that. Next definition. The set of all first elements of the ordered pace in a relation R from set A to a set B is called the domain, as I already told you. Again, in the next example, I explain this concept. Domain of the relation R. Just copy down this. Moving to the next definition. So you wrote that about domain. Moving to the next definition. First write down the definition. I will explain each and every concept clearly. The set of all second elements in a relation R from a set A to a set B is called the range of, mark this, in the previous, the first elements are called domain, the range of the relation. Second elements are called the range of the relation R. The whole set B is called the codomain. See, everything I explain in the next example. Codomain of the relation R. See, that means in the second set which elements are connected, only that elements are called range. The complete set is called codomain. That means which one is a bigger set? Codomain is a bigger set. Therefore, important note is range is a subset of codomain. Both are sets. Range is a subset of codomain. Now mark this. They are very important points you have to remember. First one. This is the first remark. A relation may be represented algebraically. I will explain both. Algebraically, either by roster method or by the set builder method. So this also I will explain. Second important remark. An arrow diagram is a visual representation of a relation. Now go for the example. I will explain with the help of example. Every definition I will explain here. Range, domain, codomain, algebraically, everything. Just note down this definition, then easily you can understand now with the help of example. See that example. I will write the example first. set is also A, second set is also A. And they are given you with the help of which condition we have to write the relation. X comma y such that y is equal to x plus 1. Y means in the ordered pair second element, x is the first element. This is the question. See, the one set is given and they are asking to write the relation with the help of this condition. The condition is y is equal to x plus 1. And we have to write this relation in the diagram by using arrow. And we have to write the domain, codomain and range. This is a question. See, the ordered pair, in the ordered pair, the relation is defined from A to A means the first set is also A and the second set is also A. The condition is what? Y is equal to x plus 1. And see, if x is 1, what is y value? 1 plus 1, that is 2. Like that, write down all the values. And when you are writing 6, x is 6, y is 7, but 7 is not there. We have to use only this element because the first set is also A, second set is also A. Like that, when you use all the values, we are getting like this. X is 5, y is 6. We cannot write x is equal to 6 because you are getting y 7. Second set is, because second set is also A, in A 7 is not there. So with the help of this, how you write the relation R? The relation R is, these are the ordered pair. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. These numbers we have to write in the form of ordered pair. So this is the first relation that completes. After writing this, we have to mark this in the diagram, in arrow diagram. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also set A. Even this is also set A. And this is the relation from R from A to A. See, x is 1, y is 2. 1 is related with 2, 2 is related with 3, like this. Understood? So this is how we are writing with the help of arrow mark. Now see, all the first elements are called what? Domain. Domain of R is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the first elements in the ordered pair. Remember, all the first elements in the ordered pair. And what is the range of R? In this relation, all the second elements, that means those which are connected. It starts with 2. In the figure, even though 1 is there, but 1 is in the second set, 1 is not connected. So the range is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is connected. What is the codomain? Codomain is nothing but you have to write the complete second set. First set is also A, second set is also A. You have to write the complete second set even though the elements are not connected. Even though the elements are not connected. See the student, this is very simple or what? Yes. That means in a relation, when you are writing a relation, you are writing in the form of ordered pair. In that ordered pair, all the first elements in the relation, mark that. In the relation, in that ordered pair, all the first elements are called what? They are called domain. They are writing in the form of set. And all the second elements in that relation, in the ordered pair, the second elements are called range. And in the relation, when you are writing a relation from first set to second set, that complete second set is called codomain. Moving to the next example. Write on the next example. The figure shows a relation between the sets. That means the figure is given for you. In the question itself, the figure is given. 9, 4, 25. Here 1, 2, 3, 5. And here -2, -3 and -5. So this is the figure. See it carefully. Now between the sets, write the relation, first one, in set builder form. Second one, in roster form. Yes, already we are in the set chapter, already we are familiar with roster form and set builder form. One more question is there. Write its domain and range. Yes, write on the solution. From the figure it is clear that, see, here the first element, this we are calling the element from the first set x and the second set y. X is a square of y or what? See, 3 square is 9, minus 3 square is also 9. How they are connected? They are connected. X is a square of y. From the figure, it is clear that x means first set. X is the square of y. First one. Write down in the set builder form. Set builder means we have to write the rule. The set builder form R is, in the set builder form, R is equal to x comma y. X is the square of y, correct? And x belongs to P, y belongs to Q. You can, if you want, you can write the sets A and B. This time taking as P and this time writing as a Q. And this is the relation R. Next, we have to write in the form of roster. Roster means just in the form of ordered pair. In the form of ordered pair we have to write. In roster form, R is equal to S. How you are writing? 9 comma 3, 9 comma minus 3, because it is connected with two numbers. 4 comma 2, 4 comma minus 2, 25 comma 5 and 25 comma minus 5. Is it very simple or what? And from this relation you write down, if you write all the first elements, that is called the domain. All the second elements, if they are repeated, write it once. All the second elements are called range. Then tell me what is the domain and what is the range. Domain of this relation is all the elements in the first set, 9, 4, 25. Range of this relation is 2 comma minus 2, 3 comma minus 3, 5 comma minus 5. Is it very simple or what? Yes, very simple. Now I am giving you important note here. Please mark that note. Before going to that note, see, if two sets are given, you know how many ordered pairs in the Cartesian product. If suppose the set A has 2, number of elements in set A is 2 and the number of elements in set B is 3. You are familiar, number of elements in A cross B is just we are multiplying. That means we have a 6 ordered pairs. This is a method of writing ordered pair and subsets. If the set A has 2 elements, set B has 3 elements, then its subset will be given as 2 raised to 6. Correct or what? That I am giving in the form of definition. Already you are familiar. Write on the note. The total number of elements that can be defined from a set A to a set B is the number of possible subsets of A cross B. If number of elements in set A is P and number of elements in set B is Q, then the number of ordered pair in the Cartesian product is PQ and total number of relations, even subsets is also given like this, relations is 2 raised to PQ. So this ordered pair, how many elements in the ordered pair, that comes as a power. Write on the example. Let A has elements 1, 2 and B has the elements 3, 4. Find the numbers of relations from A to B. See, orally you can solve. Here we have 2 elements, here we have 2 elements. Number of elements in A cross B is 2 to the 4. And the total number is 2 raised to 4. See, is it very simple or what? No need to write A cross B. Simple to just verify your answer. I am giving you this 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. See, there are 4 ordered pairs in A cross B or what? Yes, in A cross B we have a 4 ordered pairs. Therefore, the total number of subsets is 2 raised to 4, or the number of relations from A, the number of relations from A to B is 2 raised to 4. The number of relations from A to B is 2 raised to 4. So that is the answer. If you want, you can simplify and write down the answer. Next, write down one important remark. A relation R from A to A is also stated as a relation on A. That means the same set is using. The first set is also A, second set is also A. Then we are calling it as a relation on A. So instead of writing a relation R from A to A, simply we are calling it as a relation on A. Clear? So in the next class, I will start with the next exercise, that is 2.2.